Hi guys, this is Farz and welcome back to Farzzology after a very long time. Actually, my internship is going on, so I have to visit different spots in every week. So I couldn't make videos regularly. I just want to thank everyone, those who are with me in this time. Okay, it's a very long intro. Now come back to the Photoshop, come back to the video. Okay, in this video, I want to show you how to blur background with the new tool of Photoshop in Camera Raw. Yes, now it is in Camera Raw. So at first open your photo and press Command or Ctrl and Z to copy and then convert it to a smart object. Then go to the filter and open Camera Raw filter. Okay, now you will find a new option called lens blur. This is really useful and quick. In past it was pretty complex to blur the background because you have to select the subject, you have to go to the blur gallery and then apply the lens blur, you have to select the area, blah blah blah. But now it's really easy and quick. You just come into this option lens blur and click on the apply. It will take some time, but let's see. Okay, it's done. Press Q to see the before and after. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. Okay, and now I'm gonna talk about all this option of this lens blur. You can see the blur amount. You can increase or decrease. Look at this. Okay, let's go with 100 now. And then here is the option bokeh, and there is a different types of bokeh. You can select anyone. Look at the difference. Look at this area, so you can see the difference. Look at this. So many options. Okay, I'm going with this one, diamond shape blur. That's good. And now you can increase the effect of the blur by decreasing or increasing this post option. Look at this. So I think this is okay. Now the focal range, it's really great. It works just like the lens, just like the focus of the lens. You can change the focus. Look at this. Look at this. The subject is now out of focus. It's really amazing. And now if you bring it to the left, look at this. Gradually the subject is visible. And now just note that you can also look at this. You can also control the range of the focus. Look at this. So I think this is fine. Okay, and there is option visualize depth. You can click and see the focused area and the blurred area. Look at this, the yellowish area are in focus. So if you increase or decrease, look at this. So I want just like this. So now deselect the visualize depth and see the difference. Okay, now there is a option point or area focus. You can click this and just click on the background. Look at this, the background is in focus right now. Okay, then just again click on the subject and the subject will be in focus. It's really great. So, and there is another option, refine option, and there are two brushes, focus and blur. So it's not accurate every time, so you have this option to correct the area. Or if you need to bring a area in focus, just click on this focus brush and just paint over there. It will be in focus. Just same with the blur. So you have a good control over there. So that's it, I think. Yes, it's done. Now just some basic adjustment you can do. Just a little bit. Just increase the saturation a little bit maybe. So that's it. Look at this. Look at the difference. It's really quick and easy. And you just now press OK and done. Look at this. This was the before and this is after. It looks great and fantastic and it's very quick. but it has some downsides too. It's not 100% accurate every time in selection. Yes, you can fix those with the refine option, but still it is not that good in a complex selection. But I think this is a great option for the beginners to start with, and then you can fix here and there. So I hope you love this video. If you did, hit the like button, leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe.